In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create budgets in Xero. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what each option means, and how to set up a clean budget framework that's ready for your numbers. Let's get started inside Xero. From your dashboard, head to the reporting area. This is where all of your performance insights live, and it's also the gateway to building budgets. Once you're in reporting, choose all reports. This expands the full library so you can quickly find the tools you need without guessing which category they're in. Next, open Budget Manager. Think of Budget Manager as your central hub for planning and forecasting. It stores each budget you create and lets you compare those plans against actual results as the year unfolds. At the top of Budget Manager, click the small drop-down arrow. This reveals options for selecting an existing budget or creating a new one. We're building something fresh, so choose the option to add a new budget. Click the plus Add New Budget button. This is where you'll define the identity of your budget so it's easy to locate later. Enter a clear, descriptive name. A good convention is to include the fiscal year and, if helpful, a scenario label like draft, final, or forecast. For example, FY 2026 draft is much easier to recognize than a generic title. When your name looks right, click Save. This locks in the new budget record and takes you back to the main Budget Manager view for that budget. Now set the framework so your budget lines will fall into the correct calendar. Choose the start date to match your financial year or the first month you want to plan. Next, decide how to handle actuals. Actuals let Xero automatically fill the early months with real numbers you've already posted, which is great for year-to-date comparisons. You can include actuals from the start of the year or begin your plan entirely from scratch if you prefer a pure forecast. Finally, choose the period. Monthly is the most common and gives you detailed control, but quarterly can be helpful if you plan at a higher level. Once those selections are in place, click Update. This refreshes the Budget Manager grid using your chosen start date, actual setting, and period, so everything is aligned and ready. That's it. You've created a new budget and set its structure. From here, you can enter figures, review totals, and later compare performance against actual results. If something looks off, simply revisit the start date, actuals, or period settings, adjust them, and click Update again to reapply your preferences.